Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a little swatch and review video of the Enlighten palette from IBY Beauty. So if you guys want to hear my thoughts on this palette and see how pretty this palette is, then keep watching. First, if you're new to my channel, I am an IBY Beauty ambassador, so I do have a coupon code for you guys. It's Kristen25. I do not receive anything if you use my coupon code. I'm just grateful and thankful that you do. If you do, I think you guys would really like IBY Beauty. Their products are super affordable and they're great quality. I absolutely love them. IBY Beauty did send the Enlighten palette to me, so thank you so much, IBY Beauty. I actually got it as like a gift for tearing up as an ambassador, so I was really excited to try this out. So this palette is a 20 pan eyeshadow palette that retails for $35, but if you use my coupon code, it'll be $26.25, which I think is a pretty good price for a more affordable eyeshadow palette. I know drugstore is typically cheaper. I wouldn't really lump IBY Beauty with drugstore. They're just more affordable. Their price ranges really do go from like $4 to $30, so they have a really broad range. One thing that really caught my eye with this palette is the packaging. I just think it's so pretty. I love the colorful background, and the words are holographic. I think that's really fun and different, something I definitely don't have in my collection. You do get a mirror on the inside. I typically don't care about mirrors. I know some people are big on that, some are not. I personally, like I said, I don't care if there's a mirror because I never really use it. But this is the inside of the palette. Here is a close-up. I love that you have 2 rows of neutral shades and 2 colorful rows. That was another thing that caught my eye, the fact that there's a half and half mix of colorful and neutral. I think that kind of makes a perfect palette in a way, because if you are a more neutral person but love a pop of color, you have it all right here. You don't have to go digging through your collection to get that pop of color, which I really love. IBY Beauty does have an amazing eyeshadow formula. They're really easy to work with. There's like zero fallout, which is amazing. I know that also is another thing that doesn't really bother me, but zero fallout. There's really like no kickback in the pans either. They're really easy to blend, so easy to work with. The shimmer shades are my absolute favorite. They have an amazing shimmer shade formula. I don't know what they're doing, but they're gorgeous and absolutely stunning. If you've never tried an IBY Beauty eyeshadow palette before and want to, I definitely recommend picking this one up, because you do have that great mix of neutral and colorful shades. There's a good mix of shimmer and matte shades, and I love it. It's so pretty. So now let's get to swatching. First up is Moonstone, Almond Milk, hashtag Blast, Mud Bath, which Mud Bath and this is Vortex, these two favorite amazing duo. For the second row, it's all shimmer, so you have Spirit Animal, Balance, Golden Lights, Aurora, and up here is Yoga Pants. And the shade Golden Light is so cool, and you cannot tell on camera, but it's like golden with like pink reflex. It is gorgeous. For the third row, you have this green shade, which is, I don't know how to say it, OJAI. I don't want to mess up any words. Haiku, Sound Bath, Smoothie, and Peace. I love the shade Peace. It's like a pinky purple color. It is so pretty. In the fourth and final row, you have the shade Wealth, which this is like a really cool green with blue reflex kind of shade. You can't really see it on camera, but in person it's so cool. Then you have Spa Day, Third Eye, which this is another favorite shade in the palette of mine. I just think it's this really pretty purple. I'm a sucker for purples. Crown Chakra, and Dragon Fruit, which this is a perfect name because that is literally the color of dragon fruit. And those were all the swatches of the Enlighten palette. I hope they helped you figure out what you should purchase from IBY Beauty, because I think that the Enlighten palette is definitely a great first palette from IBY Beauty. If you are in the market and want to try something from them, definitely recommend this or their highlighters. Their highlighters are my absolute favorite. If you'd like a whole video on them, please let me know in the comments down below. I will gladly do a video all about their highlighters. But I think you guys would really, really love this palette, so let me know if you pick it up in the comments down below. That is it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!